Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal Watch Box. Today I'll be revisiting my 2-year-old Casio MTP-1370, or to be precise, the MTP-1370L-7AVDF. It's a classic analog watch with a genuine leather band that stood the test of time. This watch has been one of my all-time favorites. For about a year, it was my day-to-day companion. Whether it was a casual outing, a day at work, or even a low-key dinner, this watch was right there with me, tying my outfits together with its classic charm. It's safe to say it became a part of my daily life. Over time, though, it's earned its vintage vibe. The leather band now has that well-loved, worn-in look. The case and bezel have picked up some scratches, and the glass shows a few scuffs that hint at our many adventures together. Honestly, it's these imperfections that give it character and make it feel like a true classic piece in my collection. When I bought this watch 2 years ago, it cost me around $30, including shipping. Talk about a budget-friendly gem. The standout feature of this watch has to be its 50-meter water resistance. That's a big step up from the 30-meter rating you'll find on most of Casio's cheaper analog models. It gives you that extra peace of mind for daily wear. No worries about splashes or even a quick dip. Another highlight is its unique dial design. The date display sits elegantly below the 12 o'clock mark in a distinctive horseshoe shape, while the day display is neatly placed just above the 6 o'clock position. These details add a touch of sophistication to its otherwise simple layout. For those who might be new to this watch, let's break down the dimensions. Case size, approximately 39.8 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance, about 45 millimeters. Thickness, around 8.8 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Weight, a light 49 grams. Now, how do these dimensions translate to wrist comfort? Well, the 39.8 millimeters case is a sweet spot for medium-sized wrists, and the 45 millimeters lug-to-lug distance ensures it sits snugly without overhanging. Its slim 8.8 millimeters thickness makes it slide easily under a shirt cuff, and the lightweight build means you can wear it all day without feeling like you're lugging around a brick. Generally, it'll fit wrists from about 6 to 7.5 inches best, but hey, it's all about personal preference. If you're into classic-styled watches that aren't too flashy or oversized, this one's got you covered. Let's check the crown, case, bezel, glass, and dial. The medium-sized crown is protected in a way that mimics a diver-style crown, adding a sporty touch. Although the case and bezel are made of brass or alloy with chrome plating, they seem remarkably scratch-resistant and do a great job of resembling real stainless steel. The glass is mineral crystal, which provides decent protection against scratches and everyday wear. The silver dial features a pattern of lines radiating from the center outward, resembling sun rays. It's a subtle yet elegant detail that gives the watch a refined look. The hour markers sit proudly on top of the dial, with short double markers at 12 o'clock, single larger markers at 3 and 9 o'clock, and shorter markers for the rest. All the markers are silver in color, complementing the dial beautifully. Between these markers, 4 thin lines mark the seconds, adding precision to the design. Below the 12 o'clock mark, you'll find the signature horseshoe-shaped day window, a standout feature that's both functional and unique. Another charming detail is the set of numbers running from 05 to 55 in increments of 5 below the hour markers, except at 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. The prominent Casio logo sits proudly below the day window, adding brand recognition to the mix. The hands are sword-shaped, except for the needle-like second hand. All the hands are silver, with the hour and minute hands featuring lume for readability in the dark. The WR50M imprint is located just above the date window, while the Japan movement imprint sits at the extreme bottom of the dial, adding a touch of authenticity. The dial's overall style is a blend of elegance and functionality. The silver tones and sunray pattern give it a premium look, while the well-organized layout ensures it's easy to read. The combination of the horseshoe-shaped day window and the thoughtfully placed markers makes the design truly stand out. It's understated yet distinctive, a classic that balances form and function perfectly. While the lume is limited to the hour and minute hands, it still does the job, offering clear visibility in low-light conditions. The black, crocodile skin-inspired genuine leather band is well-crafted. The underside of the band bears a genuine leather imprint, and the stitching is neat and durable, holding up well over time. After 2 years of use, it shows some wear and tear, but that only adds to the watch's classic, vintage vibe. The stainless steel case back features distinct imprints of the iconic Casio logo, along with the module and model numbers, water resistance rating, and other essential details. On the wrist, the 39.8mm case size strikes a perfect balance. Even on my modest 6.5-inch wrist, it doesn't feel oversized or out of place. Instead, it sits comfortably, with the slim profile making it ideal for both casual and formal wear. The watch has a way of blending in without disappearing, giving just the right amount of wrist presence to make a statement. This is how the lume on the hour and minute hands looks after being charged under an LED light for a few minutes. While the illumination is clear, the absence of lume on the indices may limit time visibility in low light. After 2 years, the Casio MTP-1370L-7AVDF remains a reliable and stylish companion. Its timeless design, durable build, and budget-friendly price make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a classic piece to their collection. Whether you're a seasoned watch enthusiast or just starting out, this watch has something to offer. That's it for this review, folks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.